How to use Lovable's built-in component library. In order to use this, first head over to lovable.dev and log in. Scroll down from there until you can find your workspace and then just choose in here the workspace that you wish to use. For example, let's choose in here this Pinky Allure. Then click on this. After you have done that, this will open in here this project. So what you can do in order to access the built-in component library is to head over and then locate it from here onto your actual text box. But as you can see, it only shows the index HTML and everything that you have asked. If you want to access all of it all together, click onto this GitHub option, click onto this Edit in VS Code, and then you will be redirected to VS Code in order to access all of the files that you currently have for this particular project. So you can see it right here. You can see in here our components such as the JS, JSON, TS, and likes. You can click on any one of them and then edit them however you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.